Hi guys, welcome to Pulsephere. I'm Philly and today I'm going to be teaching you the Martini Sit. For this one, you can learn it from standing on the ground, from inverting from the ground, and also inverting aerial. So for the aerial one, obviously, you're going to need a really solid aerial invert, also to an outside leg hook. Same from the floor, if you're learning from standing and inverting, a really solid invert and then an outside leg hang. So I'll show you what it looks like. For this one, we can start standing on the ground just so we understand the grouping points a bit better. For this one, you're going to take your outside leg hook. So for me, that's my right leg. I'm going to pop that on the pole. From here, I'm going to do something real sexy and do this. What that does is push the back of my thigh against the pole, and so I've got an extra gripping point. Remember to have a really deep knee hook as well, and the best way to do that is to get a straight leg and then bend it all the way around the pole so it's really deep in that knee pit. Two hands are going to be on the pole for this one. I sink into that first grip, and then from here I'm going to put the same elbow as leg hooking onto the pole, like this. Keep it really nice and close. If it's up here, you're going to struggle with the next bit, so keep it nice and low, but make sure that the knee and the elbow aren't fighting for space. Your other hand is going to go here so you can hold onto the pole a bit better. Your bottom leg now is going to become a bit weightless. We've got lots of grips on the pole. We take it up, and we're going to grab it with the same hand that's attached to the elbow, like this. Try not to go reaching for anything weird and underneath because we don't want to disrupt that elbow grip too much. So from the way your hand naturally falls, down like that, like a kitty cat, okay? So we use our hand over the cuff and then we're going to sink down and into it. So now my butt is also on the pole. So heaps of gripping points for this one.